為家創，零一以創意分享，學會新知識，學會更一，以破於循道為力。
Hello everybody! In today's show, we will talk about some weird, wild, and wacky tiny creatures. They are the most fascinating creatures on the earth. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. The best part is, you don't need to travel anywhere to explore them, because they are everywhere.
There are around 200 million of these creatures on Earth. Can you guess what they are? They are insects. I am so interested in insects and I want to know more. Today, we have the right people to take us into the weird but wonderful world of wacky insects.
Do you know, we also have some jobs for next generation creepy crawly insects enthusiasts. You can be an entomologist. Let us find out more about what an entomologist does.
Hi everyone, I'm an entomologist. An entomologist is someone who studies bugs and insects. If you love bugs or find them interesting, this job might be for you. Some entomologists travel around the world to study bugs, and some of them work in a bug gallery. There are many such bug galleries in the world.
Today, we also have someone who wrote some books about insects after years of research. Ms. Tanya, can you tell us more about insects?
Sure. There are millions of insect species I've written about. Which ones would you like to know about?
Can you tell us more about the ants and bees? The reason I want to know more about them is that they are the ones we see around in day-to-day life.
Believe it or not, at any given moment, there are around 10 quadrillion ants on planet Earth, which is why we see them around us all the time.
Let us begin with amazing facts about ants. They live in colonies of 3 types of ants: one queen, some males, and many female workers. One can tell the difference between the queen ants and her workers because the queen ants are larger in size. Ants can carry 50 times as heavy as their weight. It's like an average human carrying something that weighs over 8,000 pounds.
Besides, ants are very clever and hardworking. Leafcutter ants keep a fungus garden inside their nests, which is used to feed the ants inside. Garden ants are not just flying insects that feed on flowers. They stock up on dandelion pollen. They all love sweet and sugary things.
Did you know around 90% of all the plants you see in the wild and 75% of our farm crops rely on pollinators like bees? In fact, 1/3 of our food exists because of bee pollination. Thank you, bees.
That's correct. How do you know?
I read a book.
I'm buzzing to share with you some facts about bees as well. Did you know bees can see 5 times faster than we can? This means they can spot the flower with the sweetest nectar when they're flying really fast. Bees have one stomach for eating and another special stomach for storing honey. A bee beats its wings up to 11,400 times each minute, which is 190 times per second. That's why you hear the buzz when there's a bee flying around you.
Do you love butterflies? I mean, who doesn't? Have you ever thought about how they look before they start to grow their wings?
Oh, would you share some crazy facts about caterpillars?
Yes, caterpillars can consume 25 times their weight. Even though caterpillars have 12 eyes, they are practically blind. Caterpillars can save toxins from dangerous plants in their bodies forever, making them taste bad to predators.
Thank you for sharing everything with us today.